Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is not welcome back, welcome to my channel. This is my first video, I think. Maybe second, not second video on my channel. But on my first video I didn't talk. Okay. Anyway, this is the video to show you how you can really install Laravel PHP framework on your Windows 10 machine. It will work on Windows 11 too. Okay. This is the easiest way and fastest way to install things. Okay. Okay, probably know that Laravel is used to develop web application based framework in PHP. Okay, first of all, we need some pre-requirements before installing Laravel on your system. Basically, for what we need to do is that first you have to install the exam server. Go to apache-friends.org and download and install any versions on 8 point, any version on 8. Okay, I installed on 8.1.2. Okay, I installed 8.1.2. After that, you have to go to Node.js website. Okay, Node.js website and download the latest Node.js version and install it on your system. After that, you have to go to Git. Okay, Git and download the Git for Windows. Okay, it will also be on latest version. Okay, everything done and installed and done. You have to go down. Last thing, you have to download and install the Composer. Okay, go to composer.org, click on download and come to this page, and here download and run composer setup.org. Okay, just click on composer setup.exe file. Okay, just open it and install for all users. Just click on next page. Here you have to check that you have to include the path for the PHP file. That PHP file will be getting in the XAMPP folder. Installed already, we have installed the XAMPP. Okay, that's why we are doing it on last. Click XAMPP. Okay, PHP self php.exe file, just click it on okay, then next. Okay, you have to just click next. Okay, that's it. You will successfully install Composer on your system. You can check it by using composer -v version. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. Composer, okay, composer minus sorry, minus version. Okay, you will get the composer version. Okay, you will get the composer version. You can check also Node.js version also, npm -v, just fill like that. Okay, you will get the Node.js version. That's it. Okay, you can also check the Git version, Git -v, you will get the Git version as well. Here you can see all things are requirements have been successfully installed to our system. Okay, sorry, that's my problem. Okay, then go to the laravel.com, go to the documentation section. Here you can see installation of Laravel. Click on the getting started on Windows. Okay, and go forward. Okay, here you can see you can just install this in Composer, create a project, Laravel example app. This example as fees for the application name. Okay, just copy that, clear. Okay, see his face. I already developed a folder to save this type those things. Okay, that's a normal capsule. Okay, but cd okay, ls cd space if what happened. Okay, cd space c, sorry, f:/. Okay, you will get to the, I'm probably using the Laravel learning folder, cd space Laravel learning. Okay, here, okay, here there is no one app already created. Okay, anyway, just paste these things and you have to put 9 here. I can example, just enter it. Okay, this will install Laravel folder to your system. Laravel to your system. Okay, Laravel frame to the particular folder called it. Okay, just wait for this to finish. After successful installation, you have to move to that folder, cd space eg example. Okay, then you have to run the framework. What you have to do is that you have to php xampp serve. Yes, enter it. You will get a link. You have to just click on control, just click the link. Okay, you will successfully install the Laravel framework on your system. Okay, this is the easiest way. Okay, but here, wait a minute, I can show you. Yeah. Look at here, this is very long statement. This is very long statement to remember. I think we can just shorten it by installing Laravel installer to the system. That's very easy. Just here, composer global require Laravel / installer. Okay, you have to copy this command and paste it to the command prompt. Okay, or CMD or anything, any terminal you like. I am just installed the 7 version of Windows terminal. Okay, yeah, now the Laravel is successfully installed to our system on default. Okay, just back on to the directory folder. Okay, we can see that the two apps are successfully there. Just what we have to do is now you have to type Laravel new. Okay, Laravel new, the app name. Okay, example 2. I will providing example 2 as an app name. Okay, then you have to wait for some time to finish everything. Okay, be patient, it will be successfully finished. Now we have to go to that directory and run the application. Okay, cd space example 2. Okay, PHP, I have to provide PHP address and server to run the framework. Okay, now it is running successfully. Just control and click the link, it will open on the browser. Okay, this is the fastest way to install Laravel on your system. Okay, if you are not understanding my language, basically because I don't speak English very well, I'm trying to learn and improving my English. Okay, that's why I'm speaking English. Basically my language is Malayalam mother tongue. I'm from Kerala, India. Okay, I speak Malayalam, Hindi and little bit of Tamil, but I don't really speak English very well. That's my main problem. Okay, I'm trying to fix that. Why I am here to do these all type of steps and say it in English. Okay, maybe there are some error, I don't care about that. Okay, anyway, thank you.